Why does your scanner show the P0220 engine code? What does it mean? P0220 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle pedal position sensor switch B circuit. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM, has detected a voltage issue with the sensor that measures the position of the throttle or accelerator pedal specifically within the B circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: throttle body issues, sensor problems, wiring and connections, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Hyundai, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.